Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna first start by applying my Benefit Porefessional Primer, which is my favorite. And now for my face, I'm gonna be using my Ala Beauty Radiance highlighter. I'm gonna add some NYX medium olive foundation. Since this foundation is very light, I'm also gonna be adding my MAC Select cover up in NW35, and then using this cute fishy brush, I'm gonna mix that all together and gonna paint my face like this. So after I'm done with applying this all over my face randomly, I'm gonna use my She Precision Blender, which is my current favorite, and gonna bounce and blend out all that. Now using my Glam High Definition powder and actually missed the clip, so this is it for my eyebrows. And now I'm going to be using my MAC Select cover up again with my mini blender and applying it on my eyelids to prime them, and then using Maybelline the Nudes palette and applying this ashy eyeshadow on my crease area and a dark brown eyeshadow on the outer V and this Helios eyeshadow on the eyelid, and just doing off my eyeliner and just highlighting my brow bone area. Now I'm going to be using my Anastasia banana contour stick and applying it onto the center of my face. I'm also using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C11 and applying it onto the areas where I need to, and then using my mini blender by She again and blending that all out. So once I'm done with all that, using my Rimmel Stay matte powder to set all that. And yes, this is what happens with me whenever I open my hoola bronzer. So this is it. I'm just warming up my face with that, and then using Hunt's eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette to blush up my cheek area, and this Beam eyeshadow, which is my favorite to highlight the highest points of my face. Then just doing loads and loads of mascara and applying some kohl onto the outer waterline, lower waterline, and then using this beautiful hot pink Villa Was the Ulti matte chubby stick, and this is it. So I hope you'll like this look. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.